Here we are today, YouTube. What we have here is part 2 of the T-Mobile Galaxy S, the Galaxy J3 Prime, which that's the Imei right there. This is part 2, as we showed in part 1, that the Imei was blocked. So we're just gonna go ahead and click submit and type in the captcha for voila. Device is definitely fully unblocked, but it states outstanding finance because there was a port out without the EIP being paid off, which I click submit. Voila, device shows clean and clear. J3 Prime from T-Mobile. This is part 2, in which it states outstanding finance when the customer ports out the number without paying off the EIP, in which that happened in this case matter here, in which the device is 100% clean and clear when we clear it off, and it shows that status right there. But be aware that if you buy a device from someone and it does show that outstanding finance, be on the lookout that it may block down the line right there. So you definitely want to be careful when it comes to that type of issue or status if a T-Mobile enterprise dealership didn't resolve the issue. Thank you for watching. Tune in and subscribe.